In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly convert a Google Docs document into a Microsoft Word file. Whether you're sharing work with a colleague or preparing a document for a different platform, knowing how to do this can save you time and effort. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your document in Google Docs. If you're already working on the document, you're right where you need to be. Otherwise, head over to Google Docs in your browser and locate the document you wish to download. Once your document is open and ready, we can move on to the next step. Now, look toward the upper left corner of your screen, and you'll see the File menu. Clicking on File will open a drop-down menu with various options. From this list, you'll want to hover over the Download option. As you do this, you'll notice another side menu appears with a few different file formats you can choose from. To convert your document into a Microsoft Word file, select the option that reads Microsoft Word.docx. Clicking on this will start the download process. You'll be asked to choose a location on your computer where you want to save the downloaded file. This part is important because knowing the location will make accessing your document later on much simpler. Take a moment to think about where you usually save your work, or perhaps create a new folder specifically for this file. Once you've decided, click Save, and the file will download there. After the download is complete, it's a good practice to open the newly converted .docx file to ensure that everything looks as it should. Sometimes formatting can shift slightly during the conversion process, and it's better to catch any discrepancies now rather than later. Navigate to where you saved the file and open it with Microsoft Word. Take a few moments to look through the document. Check elements like spacing, font size, and any images or tables to make sure everything has been retained as intended. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward way to convert a document from Google Docs to a Microsoft Word file. This process can be incredibly useful, especially if you frequently collaborate with others who might be using different software. Thanks for following along today. Remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.